guys, if you're new here, my name is Angel. Thank you for coming, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Today I have a Candy Lover 22 plus 3 colors base top coat, and both shiny and matte. I'm going to give them a swatch and see what the quality of this Amazon brand is. In here we have colors, just their little manual. And here we have the colors. The bottles are 7 mils for the colors, and the top coats, well, these three are 10 mils. One thing I do like is that the bottles actually are the color of what's inside. There seems to be a good variety of colors. Lots of spring fun fashion colors. I'm going to be adding to my little twirly thing here. This was other Candy Lover brand colors that I have swatched before, and these are the cat eye gel ones, and I wasn't impressed with them. Not as good as I thought, but use your error, as I said in that video. If you haven't watched it, it'll be in my short list of videos. You can find it. So I'm going to add to that. And so we use some of these kind of swatch sticks. And I'm just going to go really fast through these because I don't want this to be a long video. But so this seems to be like a white. And so far it's, you know, I don't think this is the best quality stuff here, but I think I only paid $10 for this. So, and I just got it to try. Sometimes you find stuff that you love if you give them a chance. And you know, cheap doesn't have to mean bad. Cheap could be just cheap in price. Now, I must say these do have good coverage. They are, you know, definitely. Oh, what I know about these ones is that this is a glitter. And I think I've already 280. Let me see if my other glitter, just curious. 280. No, that's a 404. And that's a 410. Okay, I lied. This is a totally different glitter. So this glitter has medium size. It's hard to even see it. Yeah. Small and big. So it is pretty. It's actually prettier than the other glitters in the other pack that I did. Next. Wow. Really deep maroony purple. That's actually a pretty color. I don't think I have a color quite like that yet. So that's nice. Next we have like a raspberry color. That was actually pretty too. So yeah, as I was saying, these are definitely, I mean, you could get away with probably a 1 coat, but at 2 coats, you definitely full coverage there. And next we have a gold. It's actually pretty. All right, I'm going to cure those up. I'm going to pause for a second. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just cured them, labeled them, and gave them a little wipe with alcohol. And we'll go on to the next row here. You got like a light peachy color. Looks like we got a loose something in there. Okay, so this is the first really sheer color. So you would need more than 1 coat for that to be more coverage. Yellow. Like a bubblegum pink color. Red. And this is like a blueberry, like a purpley blue color. Reminds me of blueberry. Or grapes. And oh, we got some glitter in this one. Pretty dark purple. Alright, I'll cure those. Be back in a sec. Okay, so I got them all labeled. I just wanted to point out that the orange one is actually glow in the dark. That's cool. And here's what the colors are so far. And let's see what we got for the final bit. We have another pink. brown. Purple. And a dark nude color. Alright, I'm going to cure those. Be right back. Alright, that's what we got so far. And for the last 4, got a red sparkle, or glitter, I should say. That might be nice after a couple of coats. Oh, I thought this was going to be red. It's deep purplish color. Does not really match the package, the container. And we have another glitter. And this one has some hollow glitter in it. It's actually pretty. Oops. Bowling, playing bowling. And last color here, we have a very nice green color. Alright, I'm going to cure those up. Be back in a sec. Here are the final colors. I just want to point out that I did cure them for probably 3 minutes, and I did wipe them with an alcohol pad, and some of them are still pretty sticky. I don't know if you can see that. Some of them are okay, and then some of them are not. I don't know. I'll stick them on our lamp for a little bit longer. Alright. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And see you in my next video. Bye.